Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Gmail filters to organize your inbox. So open your Gmail, log in, and if you want to organize your inbox, all you have to do is to go to this gear icon or settings, scroll down, tap see all, and then here you will see options and you just have to go directly to filters and block addresses. So what you're going to do here is you have to click this create a new filter. So if you want to be like very specific, like if there is a coming message, then you just want to simply put it directly on a specific folder or option beside or on the left side. What you're going to do here is you just have to create a new filter. And then, for example, if you want to filter a message or messages from this person, you just have to type the person's email address and then to, let's just say, to my email address. So you have to type your email address here with this subject, okay? And then you're going to filter also that if this message includes, for example, money, urgent, or let's just say words like meeting or whatsoever, everything is up to you. And doesn't include, or if this message doesn't have tomorrow or next week, and if the size is like this and has attachments, then what you're going to do here, if you receive or if a message or if this matches the message that you have filtered, then what you're going to do is you have to click this create filter, and then you have to create a specific place or location for this. So create filter, and then if or a message is exact match for your criteria, then what you're going to do here is you're going to create a new label for this. So for example, mine, tap create, and you will see this mine label on the left side. So if a message from this person about law firm and has this specific message that you have typed, and has also attachment, then this message will be automatically be found in mine label. As easy as that. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.